too long, like a cold and rain. But you said my name, and I felt my heart again. There was ash in my hands, there was dust on my plan. Still I reached for the sky with a trembling stand. And I can see it now through the crack in the dark. And I can feel it now, like a spark in my heart. Rise with me, rise with me. We were made for the morning. Rise with me, rise with me. Let the night keep falling. I kept a small blue light in the drawer by my bed. When the room went quiet, that little flame stayed fed. Every broken goodbye, every step through the cold, made a path in my chest, made a dream I could hold. And I can see it now through the crack in the dark. And I can feel it now, like a spark in my heart. Rise with me, rise with me. We were made for the morning. Rise with me, rise with me. Let the night keep falling. If I fall, catch me now. If I break, build me gold. I was never empty, I was only growing Rise with me, rise with me, rise with me, we were made for the morning. Rise with me, rise with me, rise with me, let the night keep falling. I never learned goodbye. I closed the door so slowly, but my soul stayed in the room. I tried to walk away from us, but I kept breathing your perfume. The night was full of silence, but it screamed your name it's over, but my heart